So you can mix first these things, circle, okay. And after the circles, okay, we are going to this part, this area we are create to the eyes parts, okay. Here, this is one eyes, this is one eyes. This two areas I using, okay, for eyes. Got it, beta? Now, okay. Now, I just go over here, so you can create here one eyes, okay. This position, like this, and here you can create this one of eyes, okay, beta, like eyes, okay, beta. Understood, right? Now this is the position of eye, no, eyes. So that much area is just some little bit of offs, okay. Because see, this is the animals. No, in animals' eyes, this part is off, right? See, this is off.
Everything you know is in your mind.
So this is that's the reason it should be off. Okay. Hello. हेलो. हाँ बेटा, कहाँ है तू? Now can join, but your time is half an hour only. You can getting time, maybe more than. Now is 1:30. Okay, so please join. Okay, okay. Join. You can join. Yes. Tell me, beta. Yeah, your voice is little very slow. Can you loudly speak? Your voice is slow. Yes, now I have a voice. Yeah. What part you want to see? This nose, right? What? What part? Pehil, what part you want to see? Tell me, beta. It's not audible. Sir, not any part. Oh, okay. No. Kora.
Are you all my personal dreams?
Okay. Now after that,
Everything you know is in your mind.
this part. Understood, Pehil? Pehil, understood, beta? Can I have my voice? Is audible? Again, jungle book. So you can create the line. So this is the this part of eyes. You can see this less. Okay, this part is a bigger.
Are you all my personal dreams?
Okay, beta. You got it? Done, Pehil? Pehil done, beta? Okay. Now, after that, you can go over here. The lower part of mouth, okay.
Are you all my personal dreams? Everything you know is in your mind.
Okay, this is eyes. You can create a little bit of sketching first. We can make the next drawing for dark line with a monochrome color. Okay, black color or something. Any color we are using for the next drawing. Okay, this is I making with a pencil only. How creates the sketch? Okay, this fine sketch of
Are you all my personal dreams?
you understand, beta? Pehil, is this Pehil, beta? Are you hear my voice? Is audible? Pehil? Is audible? My voice is clear? You understood? You tell if you need little time, or usually last week no you had tell sir please wait few minutes, so that's why this is easy, right? You can do it. Is it easy or tough for you, difficult for you, or easy for you, beta? Easy?
Are you all my personal dreams?
You can make some line like this.